Good evening. Yes, good evening. Good evening. Good evening to all. Yeah, children, everyone keep the paper, Safely paper with you. We are going to discuss that paper only. Be ready with the paper. Good evening, good evening. Yeah, right. Good evening, good evening. Who is this Rohan Aditya? Rohan Aditya, evaru? Right. So question number 1, children. The HCF of two numbers 65 and 104 is 13. LCM is 40x. Then the value of x. The two numbers are 65, 104. LCM is 40x. HCF is 13. We need to find out x value. We have a relation that product of two numbers equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Okay, na? This is the relation that we have. Product of two numbers, let the numbers be A and B. So their product is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Now the two numbers are given 65 and 104. So 65 into 104 is equal to LCM 40x, HCF 30. Okay, na? Then x is equal to 65 into 104 by 40 into 13. 13 ones are 13 fives are 5 ones are 5 eights are 8 ones are 8 threes are. X is 13. X is 13. So option D. Next question. Next question. There is a triangle ABC, right triangle ABC. Right angle at B, and DE is parallel to BC. This is given 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and this is also 3 centimeters. And what he is asking to find? EC, this one. A simple question. Simple question. So what to apply here? Which concept we need to apply, children? Triangle ABC, right angle at B, DE is parallel to BC. Yeah, AD2, DB3, AE3, EC we have to find out. Yes, basic proportionality theorem we need to apply. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by x. 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by x. 2x is equal to 9, x is 4.5. X is 4.5 or 9 by 2 you can say. Option D. Option D. Okay, na? Next question. For an event P of E plus P of not E, P of E plus P of not E is x. It is given x, and we need to find out x cube minus 3 value. Okay, children. P of E plus P of not E is x. We need to find out x value, x cube minus 3 value. Children, I told you when I am teaching this probability class, probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event is 1. It is 1. For example, a die is thrown. Probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6. Probability of not getting 1 is 5 by 6. Now, if we add them, 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 will get 1. So, probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event is 1. So, x is 1. 1 cube minus 3 is negative 2. It is negative 2. Okay, na? Next. Fourth question is chala mandiki doubt untundi. Many students having doubt in this. The number of polynomials having zeros as -2 and -5. -2 and -5. Both. See, children, -2 and -5 are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. They may be the zeros of a cubic polynomial, a biquadratic, degree 5, degree 6, degree 7. Is that right? Yedo oka means those two are the zeros of any polynomial. Is that right? Starting from degree 1. 2 is the zero of x plus 2, x minus 2. Negative 5 is the zero of x plus 5. Both are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. They may be the zeros of cubic polynomial. They may be zeros of a biquadratic, 5th degree, 6th degree, and so on. So the answer is D. Answer is D. More than 3. Okay, na? Next one. 3 is the least prime factor of A. 7 is the least prime factor of B. Then least prime factor of A plus B. సరే ఇట్లా కాదు కానీ మీరు please tell me a number where 3 is the least prime factor of it. (21), which is 3 into 7 na? 21, which is 3 into 7. Is that right? Next. B. I'll take 77. To understand you better. 77. Prime factorization 7 into 11. Here the least prime factor is 3. Here the least prime factor is 7. Are you getting it or not? Okay. Beside the kind next connect dalle. Mundu vinandi. First listen to this. I took A 21 ra. Prime factorization for A is 3 into 7. So out of 3 into 7, 3 is the least prime factor. Is that right? And 77 is another number. Prime factorization 7 into 11. So least prime factor is 7. Okay? Now if I add A plus B, what I will get? 21 plus 77. How much? 98. What is the least prime factor of 98? What is the least prime factor of 98? Do prime factorization. 249s, 7. 2 into 7 into 7. 2. Or you can add these two. 3 plus 7. 10. Prime factorization for 10 is 2 and 5. So 2. That is also you can say. Okay, na? Which question I missed out? Okay. Fifth question. Okay. Question. First three terms of 3p minus 1, 3p plus 5. 3p minus 1, 3p plus 5. 5p plus 1 are in AP. We need to find out p value. Okay. See, if three terms are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2. Remember this, children. Lalita Dichaya. You can do like that also, or directly you can use this part. Three numbers A, B, C are in AP. If they are in AP, then B, the middle number, G is the arithmetic mean of the other two. B is the arithmetic mean of the remaining two. Okay. Now, B means 3p plus 5 is equal to 3p minus 1, 5p plus 1 by 2. Okay. 3p plus 5 is equal to 8p by 2 means 4p. 3p plus 5 is 4p. And the p5. P value 5. So option D. Okay, na? Now, question number 7. Question number 7. The distance between the points a cos theta plus b sin theta comma 0 and 0 comma a sin theta minus b cos theta. చాలా మంది తప్పు చేశారు. a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ వేసేసారు. ఆన్సర్ రూట్ ఓవర్ అయితే answer is root over a square plus b square. You need to see find the distance formula. A cos theta plus b sin theta comma 0 comma a sin theta minus b cos theta. We need to find out the distance between these two. Okay. Applying distance formula. Are applying distance formula లేదా this is the point on x axis and this is the point on y axis. Is that right, children? ఆలోచించండి. This is the point on x axis. That means this distance is a cos theta plus b sin theta. And this one is a sin theta minus b cos theta. That means you need to find out hypotenuse. That is nothing but root over a square plus b square. This is nothing but, if I take this one is x and this one is this one is y and this one is x, this is nothing but root over x square plus y square, na? Is that right? So that means root over a sin a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Okay. Now a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Okay, now cancel these two. What you will get? A square cos square theta, a square sin square theta. If I take a square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square sin square theta, b square cos square theta, b square common, sin square theta plus cos square. Is that right? I think problem is over. Answer is root over a square plus b square. Answer is root over a square plus b square. Okay, na? అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా వేస్తారేమో. ఇదేమో x1 అని y1 అని x2 అని y2 అని ఇలా అనుకుని root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square అట్లా అంత ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా this is a point on x axis and point on y axis. That means this is x coordinate, y coordinate, then hypotenuse root over a square plus b square. Simple. Okay, na? Next question. Next question. The mean and median it okay now? Is it okay now? Okay. Now what is the empirical formula to find out the mode value? Empirical formula to find out the mode value. Mode is equal to three median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. Now substitute the values. Substitute the values and find out mode. Yes, 21. Three into 15 minus 2 into 12. 45 minus 24, 21. Option B. Next. The ratio in which x-axis divide the line segment joining. చెప్పా కదా x-axis అయితే ఒక షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్పాను ఏమిటి చెప్పండి. The ratio that the line segment is the ratio that the x-axis, the point on x-axis divided by the line segment joining the points. Ratio ఏం చెప్పాను? No. Shyam wrong. What is the ratio? अंदर को 2 minus 3 A B 5 comma 6 x-axis y-axis and this point we know it is nothing but x comma 0 P. Now how to find out AB is to PB? There is a shortcut I told you. Yes, minus y1 by y2. Good. x-axis అయితే minus y1 by y2, y-axis అయితే minus x1 by x2. So minus y1 by y2, ratio minus y1 by y2, minus of minus 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 1:2. Shortcuts ఇలానే ఉండాలి for objective type questions. If it is 3 marks or 2 marks question, you can use section formula to find out. Okay na? Next question, number 10. The probability of guessing correct answer to a certain test is x by 6. If the probability of not getting correct answer is 2 by 3, then what is x? ఇందాకే చెప్పాను. I think third bit or second bit ఏం చెప్పాను? Third bit or second bit ఒకటి చెప్పాను. ఏంటది? Probability of happening an event plus not happening an event is 1 అని చెప్పా కదా. Probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event is 1. So here happening is given x by 6 plus it is 2 by 3 which is 1. What is x, children? What is x? అందరూ ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్లు బాగానే చెప్తున్నారు. ఎగ్జామ్లోనే రాయలేదు ఎవరు. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్. Srujay, how it is? One run? Since LCM, x plus 4 is equal to 1. X plus 4, 6. X 2. Okay. Next. Question number 11. The mean of 5 numbers is 15. Mean of 5 members 15, and one more number is added, 5 numbers 15. One number is added and the mean becomes 17. So that means mean of 6 numbers is 17, and he is asking to find out the 6th number, means the number which was included recently or last year. Mean of 5 numbers is 15, that means sum of observations 5 into 15, 75. Mean of 5 numbers 15 అంటే sum of observations 75 అంతే కదా. ఎందుకని mean formula ఏంటి? What is the formula to find out mean? Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Okay. Mean given 15. 15 is equal to sum of observations by number of observations 5. Then sum of observations is 5 into 15, 75. First case lo sum of observations 75. Second case lo sum of observations 617 there. How much? 102. Second case lo sum of observations how much? 102. ఇక్కడ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is 75. A1 plus A2 plus so on plus A6 is 102. Can we find out A6? Sixth observation. Can we find out, children? 2R. Is it 2? Two. $27. Very good. 27. So that is the answer. Explanation ki enta సేపు పడుతుంది కానీ actually all these questions are simple questions. Yeah, next question. Alpha beta are the zeros of x square minus 1, then alpha plus beta 0. What are the zeros of x square minus 1, children? Zeros of x square minus 1. Zeros of x square minus 1. Yeah, 1 and minus 1. Let 1 be alpha, minus 1 be beta. Then what is alpha plus beta? alpha plus beta is 0. Option D. 13th question. 4 secant theta is 5. 4 secant theta minus 5 is 0. He is asking to find out cot theta. 4 secant theta is then 4 secant theta 5. Secant theta 5 by 4. Secant theta 5 by 4 అయితే cosecant theta 5 by 3. Is that right? We know cosecant theta by secant theta is cot theta. Is that right, children? Cosecant theta by secant theta, cot theta. Okay, na? So what you will get? 5 by 3 by 5 by 4. 1 by 3 by 1 by 4. 4 by 3. Okay, na? Next question. The first term of APP, common difference Q, 10th term. It is easy, na? First term P, common difference Q, 10th term. P plus 9Q, A plus 9D kada. A plus 9D kada. P plus 9Q. Question number 14. Question number 15. One of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is 2. Then the value of k. One of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is 2. What is the quadratic polynomial? X square plus 3x plus k. Okay, na? And its zero is 2. We need to find out k value. How to find out k value? Given 2 is a zero of this polynomial, just insert it. 2 square 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. 4 plus 6 plus k 0. K is negative 10. K is negative 10. Okay, children? So 15 problems are over. We'll see remaining problems tomorrow. Tomorrow we have class again at 9 a.m. morning 9 o'clock. Okay, na? We'll discuss remaining paper tomorrow morning. That's all for today. You can leave now. Dhanyavad. Okay, bye. Bye.